Let's summarize structure and working of human eye. Well, nature has located human eyes close to the brain so that the nerve impulse or the messages can be transmitted very fastly and the interpretation can be made quite fast. Okay, so this is how eyes have been located. Eyes are actually sort of eyeball, as you can see, and these eyeballs are located in the skull's eye orbit. Okay, so you can see clearly how this looks like from the inner side. If you see the eyeball, this white portion is actually the optic nerve that connects your eyes to your brain, sends this nerve impulses. Then we have muscles. These muscles help in the movement of this eyeball. Okay, so this is how the eye orbit is, the bony wall and the bony orbit. Okay, this is for eye. This is eye socket in your skull where this eyeball is actually there. This eyeball is covered with some adipose tissue for protection, remember that. So if we see the layers of the eye, we have sclera. This sclera is actually composed of the cornea, the transparent layer from the outer side. Then there is eye lens, very important part of your eye. After this we have the next layer, that is choroid. Choroid has different regions. We have choroid proper. Okay, this choroid proper is there, and then after this choroid proper we have the ciliary body, which consists of the muscle fibers. Okay, ciliary muscles, right. We have suspensory ligaments also here on the ciliary muscles or the ciliary bodies, composed of ciliary muscles and suspensory ligaments. Then we also have one important part of choroid, that is iris. This iris actually adjusts the size of the pupil. This is also known as color diaphragm. Then we have the retina. Retina is the very delicate layer of your eye. It is actually the one which is linked with your optic nerve. It is going to send the impulses to the optic nerve, and this optic nerve is going to carry this impulse to your brain. Now this retina has, from the inner side, is composed of photoreceptors, these rods and cone cells, which are going to convert the light waves into chemical messages, which are going to send to the optic nerve in the form of nerve impulses. Then we have a region aqueous humor, which is watery, just little amount of salt between the cornea and the eye lens. Then we have vitreous humor between the eye lens and this retina. This covers a major part of your eye. It is actually composed of salts, water and albumin. So it's like a transparent jelly like substance, as you can see. So vitreous humor is more dense as compared to aqueous humor. Then this region, actually how these light waves transfer from the pupil to the eye lens, right, through this vitreous humor, and they finally reach the retina, right. So this is how the light rays are focused after refraction on the retina, the screen of the eye, and then this is converted to nerve impulse, which passes through this optic nerve and sent to the brain. So this is how it actually works. As you can see, we have a yellow spot which we call as macula. This region is actually the brightest area, because you can say that the brightest vision of your eye is because of macula. It helps in side vision also. This macula, which is also known as yellow spot, it helps in side vision also. So the light rays actually pass through this, and then they pass through the optic nerve, and then this nerve impulse is sent to the brain for interpretation. So macula or yellow spot is the region of the brightest vision in your eyes. So this is how this process takes place in your eyes. Then if we talk about eyes, the eyelids, the blinking of these eyelids actually protects your eyes. After this we also have tear film that helps to cleanse your eyes, and there is a tear gland located which secretes these secretions, and these secretions have what? They have some substances which are bactericidal that kill the bacteria. Okay. So the secretions also run through your nose, cleansing your eyes So this is the way the nature has actually made your eyes natural defense system, natural cleansing system. So I hope that till now the working and the structure of human eye is clear.